Alright, today is January the 2nd, 2017. Just brought over Leslie's 2004 Suzuki Eiger 400, and I'm going to start and try to redo her, clean her up, fix whatever needs to be fixing, and see if we can get it looking a little bit better than what she is right now. As you can see, I went and done a 2007 Suzuki Eiger 400. I redone her, and she's looking pretty good. Now, with that being said, I don't know how much work is involved with this one, but whatever it is, it is. So I shall try to keep myself updated anyway. Wish me luck.